So once upon a time, you picked Yodeck to manage content on your digital signage. Hey, no judgment. It's a popular choice. Maybe even got one of their Raspberry Pi players, either bought separately or bundled with an annual subscription. Sounded like a sweet deal, right? But now, perhaps the software isn't quite as reliable as you need, or the support isn't living up to expectations. Whatever the reason, if you're wondering how to switch away from Yodeck without buying a whole new player, then today's video is just for you. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel. Welcome back to the Look Digital Signage channel, where we talk about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. Thinking about switching from Yodeck to a different digital signage solution? That's totally your call, and nothing can stop you from making the right move. Even better, your Raspberry Pi player, currently running Yodeck's custom firmware, won't turn into a useless plastic brick. Nope, it will still be your player, just now managed by different and perhaps better software. Sounds like a plan? Awesome! We've prepared a step-by-step guide to help you switch from Yodeck to, of course, Look Digital Signage, while keeping your Yodeck-issued Raspberry Pi players fully functional. So make sure to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and get comfy, because we're diving in. Now I'm holding in my hands a device that looks pretty familiar to you, right? Our goal today is to replace its current Yodeck firmware with Look DS firmware. For that, here is what you'll need: a PC or laptop running any OS, a micro SD card adapter, and a custom OS image with Look firmware. You can grab that from our official website in the download section. Let's get started. First, download and install Raspberry Pi Imager on your PC, along with the custom OS image. You'll find all the links in the description below. Next, take the micro SD card out of your powered-off player and insert it into your computer using the adapter. Launch Raspberry Pi Imager. On the Raspberry Pi device, select your Pi model. Then go to Raspberry Pi System, click Use Custom, and pick the custom OS image with Look firmware you just downloaded. Now move to Storage, select the micro SD card, hit Next, and then edit settings. Here you can set up Wi-Fi in advance. Super handy if you're preparing multiple devices for one location. Or click Yes and configure it on the device itself later. The default password is 123123. Click Yes again, see a notification that the card will be completely reformatted. Confirm the operation by password and wait for the OS image to be written to the card. Once the process is complete, eject the card, pop it back into your still unplugged player, power it up and connect to your screen or PC monitor. If Wi-Fi is already configured, you'll see a 6-digit pairing code on screen to connect your player to Look CMS. If not, plug in a PC mouse, hit F11 and set up the Wi-Fi manually. And just like that, your former Yodeck player is now fully running the Look Digital Signage software, ready to take your screen management to the next level. Try it for yourself with our 14-day free trial, or book a personal demo to dive deeper into all the possibilities. As you can see, the process is pretty simple, and we're confident you will handle it with no problem. But just in case, our best-in-class support team is available 24/7 directly inside your Look dashboard to lend a hand. So make a smart move. I'm Gabriel, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care and stay awesome. Bye.